welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I'll show you something different, not usual content on my channel. This content is about how to make a homemade or DIY made face mask to protect yourself, because coronavirus is everywhere, and I think this can help you if you don't have a chance to buy a mask or you need a quick mask make at home. Okay, all you need to do is a piece of paper, any piece of paper, toilet paper, kitchen paper. That's the first ingredients, and second mask will be made from any bio cotton or some piece of old t-shirt or whatever you have it, you can use it. You need something this size. If it will be bigger, that doesn't matter, you can use it. And also you need some rope or something you can fit on your ears, and tape. That's it. Okay, have a look quickly how to make it. And something important for you as well, if you will be made the paper one, make a more for you, especially you go outside and you will cough to the paper one. This will be getting wet, you need to change it quickly, and don't forget, don't touch your face, and change it regularly. Once you come home, take it off, wash your hands, and protect yourself. Remember, coronavirus is everywhere, try to protect yourself. I know this is not a usual content, but hopefully it will help you. Okay, let's go make it. Okay, at the first point we'll make, like me, 3 kitchen paper or kitchen towel, whatever how you call it, and you just put it side by side and use the tape and stick all 3 together. We'll stick all 3 together. Okay, and now we will prepare rope or whatever you like to use. You can use the measure your hand. The second one will be the same. Now we'll put them like one round. Strong enough, yeah. Second one. Okay, got 2. Okay, now I have 4 because I already made a second one with the cotton. Now you will need to fold this paper with the style like this. It's one fold. Second fold. Okay, now we fold one side here and second side here, but this style. Take the rope, put on the paper, and nearly the size of the end. We'll stick this together. Okay, this light is also different between this how to be knit to this long, you will need to find it yourself. Depends your face or how big your face. You will find it yourself to make 1 or 2 masks. Okay. Stick together. Okay. On the other side we'll make the same things. And stick together. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Soon I will be show you how to use this mask, but for now I will be make the second mask. Okay, now we'll make the second mask from the cotton, which is it's nearly the same style. Okay, folding. Okay, fold is done. Take the rope. This one is more easy because you can just need a tape. You need a 4-piece. And now the fold and fit this rope. Okay. I just need this. Just stick them. If you feel you need a stronger one, you can just use the more tape. It's up to you. Second side the same. Okay, second mask is done, both side by side, and now I'll show you how it looks like on my face. Okay, face mask is done, and now I will show you how to fit. Face mask paper one is done, and you can see it doesn't look so bad, but only is a paper. Once you cough on the paper will be getting wet, and also that will be not perfect. That's why I said you need to make a prepare more one, that one is going outside, but still will be still better than nothing. Now we'll show how it looks, that second mask from the cotton. Okay, this is the second mask. As you can see, is from cotton and looks alright. It doesn't look so bad, and also fit your face perfectly. And I think it's much better option than the paper one, but it's up to you what you have at home and how quick you need a mask to make it, or what's your choice. It's prepare yourself, and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and stay alive.